Hello, and welcome to the assembly guide for the mid-century 5-drawer chest.
Even if your box is damaged, it doesn't mean the product is damaged, and we offer free replacement parts if something is broken or missing. As you open and unpack the boxes, we recommend organizing all like pieces together. Our furniture is both 100% solid wood and 100% sourced from renewable forests in Brazil. A downloadable PDF of the assembly instructions is available for download on the products page on grainwoodfurniture.com. If needed, feel free to tap these dowels, labeled C2, into their place lightly using a hammer. Pieces 9, 10, and 13 are drawer panels. Insert the dowels into all 5 of each. You should pause the video now until you've attached all the dowels. When aligning the side panel glides, remember the wheel goes towards the front and bottom of the piece. Double check that the screws are driven down until they are flush with the glide to avoid potential drawer snags. If you are confused about the glides, please watch our assembly detail video highlighting the glides. You can find the link below this video in the description.
The base, piece 04, has one rough edge. That will be the back. The top of the base will be recognizable by the extra pilot holes for the dowels. These A1 screws do not have pilot holes. You will need to apply some pressure until they catch. The top, piece 01, also has pilot holes for the dowels on the underside. The back is recognizable by the unfinished, grooved edge. These A1 screws do not have pilot holes. You will need to apply some pressure until they catch. Again, find the back of the base, piece 04, by the unfinished edge. These A40 screws do not have pilot holes. You will need to apply pressure until they catch. Ensure the back panels, pieces 14, are square into the corners and along the sides. Nail the corners first. Examine the rear panel, piece 07. The tongue on the long side slides under the back panels, pieces 14. The rear panel should sit flush on the back. These A4 screws do not have pilot holes. You will need to apply pressure until they catch. These A40 screws do not have pilot holes. You will need to apply pressure until they catch. These A4 screws do not have pilot holes. You will need to apply pressure until they catch. There are a total of 5 drawers, so you will need to repeat these steps 5 times. These A1 screws do not have pilot holes. You will need to apply some pressure until they catch. Make sure the back of the drawer, piece number 12, is square to both side pieces. When attaching the drawer glides, remember the wheel goes towards the back and top of the drawer. If you're planning to use the anti-tipping restraint to secure your piece to the wall, please watch the video linked below.
Place the labeled drawer in the top position.